Aaron. Aaron is a mini lop, aren't you? At the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire, Bedford. And he's having his dinner right now. He was just bopping all over the place a little while ago. I see you got a carrot over there you finished eating, huh? A very cute guy. Yeah, you show us how cute you are. You go hopping around. There you go. You clean your ears, yes. That's an important thing to do. Yes, you've got a nice little setup here, don't you? Nice X-Pen, huh? Lots of good places to go hide. Lots of hay. There we go. This is what Aaron was doing before. Jumping all over the place, playing in the hay. You're a cutie. You wanna go jump up on top of the house now? Hi, Aaron. Okay. Oh, going to do something a little bit now, huh? They're very cute, white bunny, white mini lop. Yeah. Bye, Aaron.